Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Nando back again with another video, and we're going to be unboxing the Garmin Venu. To this day, I still don't know how they say it. SQ. Alright, so about a year or so ago, they came out with the Garmin regular Venu, and now they've come out with the SQ model. Basically, this is a squared off design, a little bit, I'm using air quotes, less quality smartwatch, activity tracker, fitness tracker, whichever way you want to go ahead and describe these things. Basically, the whole point, in my opinion, of this device is to bring that Venu price point down to something that's a lot more affordable and a lot more competitive versus of the world. I'm not going to include the Apple Watches. I'm not going to include the Samsung smartwatches, okay? Because those, to me, are way more smart watches than they are activity and fitness trackers. All right, so this video is just going to give you guys a quick unboxing. I'm going to go over some specs with you. That's pretty much it. Kind of what I think this is going to accomplish. And then I'm going to leave it open for you guys in the comment section below if there's anything in particular that you want me to cover. Per usual, I will be doing a likes, dislikes, or a video combining the both of those things, and then a final review. I'm possibly going to be comparing it with my Fitbit Charge. As you guys can see here, the latest Fitbit Charge on my wrist. I think that's the fourth edition. Again, I might be doing that. That'll be in another video. But with all that being said, let's talk real quick about some specs. So this is a 1.3 inch screen, diagonal screen. This has that Gorilla Glass 3 on the lens on the screen, so you got some decent quality. Not top of the line Gorilla Glass, but still pretty good. It is a touch screen. It does have a color display, and then they come in two different models. They've got the $199 price point here without the music offering, and then they got the $249 that offers you the ability to offload some music onto your watch. So if you're working out or you're out and about, you can listen to your music. Okay, it does have GPS, so that's nice. And they tout a 6-day battery life. Comes with Garmin Pay, and then all the other kind of features that you're expecting. You can swim with it, run with it. And then where Garmin shines, in my opinion, is all about the statistics and the stats, right? You got that Garmin Connect app that goes with it, and then that's where you're going to see all your stats mostly. But you can also see some of them on the screen. So enough of that. There's a lot more that goes along with this watch, but I just wanted to show you guys because I don't want to waste too much time. And then here's what you have inside. So you've got your proprietary charger. I can't stand when companies do this. Apple, Fitbit, Garmin, Samsung, whatever. Watch itself right there. Right. So there's the device himself. So sensors, where you're going to charge it. Nothing on this side. Screen, 2 buttons on this side. There's definitely some heft to it. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else in the box that I can see. I'm hoping that this thing provides me just enough smartphone notifications that I don't miss a dedicated smartwatch like a Samsung smartwatch. I am using the Note 20 Ultra right now. I do plan on switching over to an iPhone when that comes out, and then I do love Apple Watches. I hate the battery life on both the Apple Watch and the Samsung. I'm still to this day trying to figure out the perfect compromise between smartwatch and fitness tracker, because I only care about steps, sleep, and then I really enjoy things like the body energy monitor thing that Garmin does. I love statistics and I love looking into that. I'm not going to be running around like crazy. I'm too fat for that. I should be doing it, but I'm not. I'm not going to be going on bike rides with this. I'm not going to be swimming laps with this. I just want this to be able to show me smartwatch notifications, text messages, phone calls that looks good and lets me read most of it on the actual screen, but then also track my sleep, track my steps, and then just kind of give me a basic, indication of how I'm doing throughout my day. I mean, I like it. I wish it was the black one, but so far I like it. Anyways, with that being said, guys, let me know in the comment section below. Again, if there's anything in particular that I should be focusing on or you want me to look into. And stay tuned for more videos. Please, please, please hit that like button, and more importantly, hit that subscribe button, because every subscription, honestly, guys, helps this channel out more than you guys even know. It's free to you, helps me out a lot, and it just keeps me going. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like always, it was Nando. Peace, salute. Don't forget to stay geeky, and adios.